2005 Ford F-150 King Ranch Crew Cab 4x4 with big tires and what else? White. And it's white! We got factory converters there and there. And guess what we did on it, guys, for you? They came off YouTube also. True duals, 2.5, all the way back. See, true duals. You always want to do that crossover. It helps it equalize the pressure a little bit more. There it is. And then 2.25 tailpipes into massive 6-inch tips. Because you know, why not? There. And there. Absolutely massive. They look awesome. We'll let you guys hear it. Hello. Right there. There it is. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Look at that. Again. Oh man, you can hear it. Oh! Again. Sound decibels again. Get it to 4,000 RPM. It's probably louder than that too. Has some bright reverse lights. Is that your Instagram? A shout out to him on his Instagram. If you guys want to follow him, go ahead. You guys gotta admit that is beast mode. Oh, it looks so good too. Look at that. Let you guys hear on the inside. '2005 Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. True dual.